Hi. So what we have in this box? In this box we probably have vintage Hungarian chess set, but slightly newer variation from this. So this set was made in 60s and 70s, and this set, what is in the box, should be made in 80s or maybe very early 90s. I don't know if this was made in 90s, but in 80s for sure. And I will now open this box. We will see in what condition is the set, how it looks like, and we will compare these two sets. So Hungarian chess set from 80s with Hungarian chess set from 60s, 70s. It should be very similar, almost identical, but there are some small differences. What I know about these sets, I will immediately take off this, and we will, okay, I will now, so this is the box. I bought this set on online auction portal from one lady. So this was some router inside. Okay. Okay. Let's take a look. It is very well packaged, so it was not so easy to open this. Okay, what we have more here. So this should come out. No, it here. Okay, and on the other side also. Okay, and this is it. Oh, let's take a look. Opa, what is this? Some paper. Oh, it's so nice. Oh, what nice color. Looks like new. This is new. This is usual for the guys who don't know much about chess to pack the board like this. This is not good for these chess boards, but we will see. Okay, and these are the black pieces. Well, this is I can already tell you by my experience, this set was never used. This is almost in just like new condition. Let's take a look at the board. Okay, the board is not so important to me. I have 100 boards like this. But the board is also in okay condition. But we don't care now about that. Okay, so let's take a look at these chess pieces. Okay. Okay. These are black pieces, and then we will compare these two sets. This set is not weighted. I can tell you that immediately. If you want to know and you want to know. Okay, so now I cleaned a little these chess pieces. They were dusty. So now we will compare these two sets. This is Hungarian chess set from 60s and 70s, and this is Hungarian chess set from 80s. Like I said, they are very similar, but there are also some differences. You will see what. So if we take a look at the kings, they are very similar, almost identical, but you can see this king is slightly thicker, bigger. So let's take a look at how heavy this king is. This is old king. Okay, so this is 11 gram. And now let's take a look at the new king. It is 14 grams. Okay, let's take a look at the queen. This is the new queen, 13 gram. And old queen, okay, 10 gram. Let's take a look. You see the queens, comparison between these two queens, very similar again, but also slightly different. Also, it's visible that this is thicker from this. Bishops are also very similar. Let's say the new bishop is 10 grams, you can see, and the old bishop is 9 grams, so almost the same. Knight, okay, so these are knights, very similar, but I can feel that this is heavier. We will see immediately. This is 16 gram, and the other one is only 11 grams, so 5 grams is difference. Now all pieces was almost same. Now the biggest difference is in the rooks. So rooks are really different. Rooks are the different design of the piece. This rook have this big head, but this is something thicker from this. So this is the new from the 80s, maybe even in 90s, and this is the old rook from 60s, 70s. Let's see immediately. So the new rook is 10 gram, and the old one is 11 because it has a lot of wood here, more wood. Okay, and the little pawns also very similar, very same, but this pawn looks slightly bigger, so the old pawn looks bigger. Let's take a look in the grams. This is 8 gram, and this one is 9 grams, so this is also slightly heavier. So this new set is heavier from the old chess set. Okay, now I will put this new chess set on the chessboard to see how it looks like. I will try to do this. It is, like I said, it is in very good condition, just like new condition. This is what I really like when I buy something. I will put this here, just a moment. Okay, and now I will put my chessboard. This is nice big new chessboard, which I hope I will open with one hand. Okay, yes. Okay, and now we will set up the board. Okay, try to set up with the right hand. Yeah. Okay. Okay. And now the white pieces on the other side. Let's go. Okay. Knights. Okay. This set is perfect on this board, I think. Okay. Look at this. This is the set. Looks great, I think. This is 57 millimeter squares, 57 with 57, and it is okay for these pieces because they have large bases. Let's see. Okay, so let's take a look how this looks like. Okay, so let me show you Budapest gambit with Hungarian chess pieces. Huh? What you think about that? So d4. Okay, the black move is knight f6, c4. Okay, and now come the gambit move, e5. So you see, black sacrifices the pawn. Pawn is not protected, so the white takes. White take one pawn. White is pawn up. Okay, this pawn will fall probably, will be weak. Let's take a look. For example, knight g4, so I immediately attacks this pawn on e5, and white protects it, for example, with knight. This is principle. Okay, but I can attack one more time, like this, for example. Okay, is this good? Yes. So okay, now the white can protect one more time with the bishop, but I will now attack one more time with my queen. You see, my two knights and the queen attacks the pawn on e5. Okay, and a little I threat this check here. You see, this check, and this will be check, and I will attack this pawn and this pawn simultaneously. So the white, for example, want to stop this, and this is why he play a3. So white stopped that check, and now I can take the pawn. I will take the pawn, and now, for example, white thinks that, okay, no problem, he take back the pawn, I will develop my pieces forward. So I will play knight from b to d2, and if I now take this knight with my knight, he will take back with the knight, and he developed this knight on the good place. But look at this position, the black gives mate, and this is checkmate. You see, the king is attacked, under attack, and white can't take this because my queen is on e-file. This pawn can't move, so this is one mate in Budapest gambit. Okay, so we saw this. Okay, thank you for watching, and bye.